Is your organization ready? Do you understand the intersection between climate change and your business? Your supply chain? Your customers? Your community? In 2024, for the first time in Canadian history, insured damage caused by severe weather events surpassed $8 billion. According to Catastrophe Indices and Quantification Incorporated, the tally shattered the previous record of $6 billion from 2016, following the Fort McMurray wildfires. The summer of 2024 stands out as the most destructive season in Canadian history for insured losses due to wildfires, floods and hailstorms. In just 2 months, July and August, 4 catastrophic weather events resulted in over $7 billion in insured losses and more than 250,000 insurance claims, 50% more than Canadian insurers typically receive in an entire year. Significant impacts from climate change, primarily manifested through more frequent and intense heat waves, increased wildfire risk due to drier conditions, altered precipitation patterns, and coastal flooding. Several regions across Canada saw record-breaking heat waves, particularly in central and eastern Canada, with temperatures exceeding normal levels by over 10 degrees in some areas, attributed largely to climate change. Overall, 2024 highlighted the growing threat of climate change to Canada, with significant impacts on human health, infrastructure, ecosystems, and the economy. Join us in the Understanding the Social Implications of Climate Change Micro-credential. Build a strong foundation in sustainability and climate change. In this program, understand the levers to mitigate and adapt to climate change with the En-ROADS MIT Climate Simulation. Examine the business, social and environmental risks and benefits and tools you can use to assess these. Prepare your company, organization and community to understand and implement the actions to manage risk, protect communities, combat and adapt to climate change. Highly valuable. I recommend the Unlocking Resilience, Climate Change for Social Impact Leaders for my colleagues across the corporate and nonprofit space. Chantelle Moore, Manager, Social Impact, Gore Mutual Insurance. Join Dr. Millie Roy and Dr. Jane Pritchard as they discuss the health and mental health implications of climate change. Participate in an MIT climate simulation and a systems multi-solving solutions plan. Register now for this program at www.csrstmikes.ca.